Hello, I'm Ojaswini Toke. I'm student of 3rd year Electrical Engineering at Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. Academically, I'm interested in writing different technical as well as non-technical topics. I'm also interested in updating my knowledge about different technical as well as non-technical fields. I believe in positive thinking and hard work because there is no other option for the hard work. With my efforts, I always try to make every opportunity a golden one. And in my purpose of learning, Sanjeevani College of Engineering always helps me a lot. Management always try to develop different courses like C, C++, Java, Advanced Java, Machine Learning, AutoCAD designing for the students, and this help us to increase our skills. In the hard time of Corona pandemic also, management has taken efforts to develop the video lecture series for the students so that they can study properly. For this work, I would like to thank our Honorable Management, our Honorable Managing Trustee, Shri Amit Dada Kolhe Sir, Dr. D.N. Kathanwar, Director Sanjeevani COE, Imran Sheikh Sir, Training Placement in Charge, Vinayak Shinde Sir, Training Placement in Charge, and last but not the least, I would like to thank all the faculties of Sanjeevani College of Engineering for giving us this valuable knowledge. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Suraj Bhabad from Civil Department, Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. I am a kind of person with positive attitude. I love to accept challenges. My college, my department always supports me and encourages me to develop myself academically and also provide some soft skill trainings to develop our soft skills. They also arranges some guest lectures, workshops and provide us some software trainings. Software trainings like SAP, StatPro, ETABS, AutoCAD, which are very important to groom ourselves technically. As we all know that our country is suffering from COVID-19 situation, but in such situation, our faculty and management are trying their best to conduct all the learning materials to all the students. For that, I am thankful to my management and my department to support us in such critical situation. Also, news for our college that our college has started 2 new branches, Mechatronics and Structural Engineering. Thank you.
Hello, I am Master Shivkumar Punjabi, currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in computer engineering from Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. I am a creative undergraduate student with a curiosity to learn, and I am easily adaptable to changing environments. I believe that our inner world affects the outer world, and hence I always try to keep a positive attitude towards life. I have done several data science projects in Python and I have hosted some of them in my GitHub repository. Talking about my academic and extracurricular achievements, I am a Red Hat certified engineer and system administrator, currently training for Red Hat OpenShift. Apart from winning several awards in English writing, I have also published some research papers in various international journals including Scopus Indexed. My skills and areas of interest include Linux, C++, Python, GUI software development, data science, and I love solving puzzles, aptitude and competitive coding questions. Sanjeevani has got a number of organizations for an overall personality development. I have been a member of eYantra Club concerned with ABU Robocon, English Literary Club concerned with learning and teaching and enhancing English communication skills, and I am a co-founder of Sanjeevani Code Academy concerned with learning and teaching coding skills. Even during lockdown, along with quality technical webinars, our college gifted students with Coursera courses free of cost. I wholeheartedly thank Sanjeevani Group of Institutes for this golden opportunity and always standing by the side of the students. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Devendra Kote. I am a student from Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Department of MBA. I have completed my undergraduate program from Savitribai Phule, Pune University in Bachelor's of Business Administration with specialization in International Business. Currently, I am consolidating my educational canvas in the fields of core finance through MBA. Talking about my technical skill, I have acquired knowledge about core finance, SAP, financial modeling and risk modeling. Now, adding lines that adhere to my personality, a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way, and also one who has futuristic vision and can turn his ideas into real-world success stories. So, predominantly, I would like to embrace myself with qualities like confidence, commitment, innovation and creativity. These values enlighten every aspect of my life, enriching it with a Sanskrit quote, Vijnanena Sarvamid Vihitam. Sanjeevani Group of Institute has always perpetuated its value-based education in its young mind. Conducive atmosphere and its gregarious professors make the institute best over others. Lastly, I would like to thank all my teachers for their valuable support. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Bhushan Parak. I am currently studying BE Mechanical Engineering at Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. Talking about my personality, I am an open-minded person and I like to try out different things. I am a quick learner as well. Talking about my technical skill sets, I have completed workshops regarding 3D printing and Python programming arranged by our college, so I am proficient at both of them. I have even undergone an internship with Verzio regarding machine learning, so I am good at that as well. Talking about our college arranges seminars regarding the newest innovations in technologies and regarding the helps to our placements all year long, so it is very helpful for us. Even during this critical situation of COVID-19 pandemic, our college has been arranging numerous webinars which have proven very helpful for us. And our college provides us with a platform to hone our skills and to develop new ones. So I am greatly thankful to our college for this. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nikita Kabade, studying in last year of Computer Engineering at Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. From being a novice at computer programming languages and other technical skills to cracking coding rounds of competitive exams and writing number of applications, the journey was both tough and joyful. I am good at programming languages like Python, Java, and also at Android application development, and really passionate about the technologies like Internet of Things and machine learning. Sanjeevani always tried to encourage us by organizing various workshops which brought us closer to industry and its demands so that we can update ourselves accordingly. Along with the workshops, by joining various groups which are non-technical and technical like Developer Student Club, CSI, ASSIS, helped me developing my technical skill sets and also taught me how to work as a team. I feel really thankful to be a part of Sanjeevani. Thank you.